I love Valentine's Day. It's my wedding anniversary and I am married to an awesome man. This Valentine's Day will be 31 wonderful years. In this video, I will highlight 7 essential oils and blends to help support romantic feelings and ignite a spark. Who wouldn't want that? Hi, I'm Terri with Simply Earth and I am excited to help you have a great Valentine's Day. The 7 essential oils and blends I'm highlighting are Love Blend, Ylang Ylang, Cardamom, Vetiver, Jasmine, Sandalwood, and Neroli. Love Blend. This is a blend of Ylang Ylang, bergamot, amorous, and orange. It has a floral scent. Udana B's review of this said, "What a perfect name for this blend. It smells like pure love." Use it to support romantic feelings, plus it's good for uplifting and centering. Ylang Ylang. This has a sweet and floral scent. As some of you may know, this is one of my personal top 3 favorites for scent. In addition to supporting a mood for romance, it can be used to uplift, promote youthful skin, and soothe your scalp. Check out the farm section for this essential oil on our simplyearth.com website to learn more about how purchasing this oil helps the community in Madagascar. Cardamom. This has a sweet and woody scent. It's native to India. Use it to support romantic feelings and more, such as supporting respiration, supporting your joint functions, and supporting women's health. Vetiver. This essential oil has a woody herbaceous aroma. Use it to help ignite a spark, but also you can use it for rejuvenation, supporting awareness, boosting your immunity, calming and centering yourself, and to reduce the appearance of breakouts. This oil is often called the oil of tranquility in India. Jasmine. This is my personal favorite essential oil for how it smells. It is sweet and floral. I love, love, love flowers and this scent. It helps support romantic feelings and can be used to uplift your mood, center you, promote youthful skin, promote rest, support awareness, and promote hormone balance. Fun fact, it blooms after midnight, so it is sometimes called Queen of the Night or Moonlight of the Grove. Sandalwood. It has a floral and woody scent. It is present in many perfumes. Use it to support romantic feelings, to support awareness, calm yourself, promote youthful skin, support joint function, and support respiration. Neroli has a floral and citrus aroma. Use it to help ignite a spark, but also to soothe skin, support heart wellness, promote rejuvenation, calm yourself, and promote youthful skin. So you may ask, how do we use these oils? Well, smell is the quickest way to change a mood state. Smell is 10,000 times more sensitive than your other senses. You can diffuse these individually or in blends, make DIY roll-ons, perfumes, or room sprays, or incorporate into your favorite DIY bath spa products. Safety info. As always, we care about you. Please see simplyearth.com for info on minimum age to use, pet safe, etc. Valentine's Day date ideas? Well, let's help you. Think of things to do together, such as make each other homemade cards or love notes. You could make dinner together or have an indoor picnic. Go stargazing, create an at-home spa night, cozy up in front of a fire, or maybe you want to watch a romantic movie together, hold a chocolate tasting, book a couples massage, go for a romantic walk. Think of things that speak to your sweetheart's love language and incorporate them into the evening. Words of affirmation, quality time, gifts, acts of service, maybe physical touch. Check out our sales page on these essential oils and blends for Valentine's Day and supporting romantic feelings. For best essential oil information, subscribe to these videos. Thank you for watching.